Welcome back. In this session, we will focus on classes and objects, which are the backbone of object-oriented programming in C#. By understanding this concept, you will learn how to structure your code more effectively and create reusable code. So I will start by navigating to Visual Studio, and from here we will go and create a new project, and using the search we will search for console application using C#. After that I will hit here on next, which it will navigate us to the next page, have a project name with the name app01, and here is the solution name. We will talk later about the difference between project name and solution name. And basically here will be the location for the repo. After that I will hit next, and here we're gonna work on framework.NET 8. Then we're gonna create this project. Again, so what's basically a class? A class is a blueprint for creating object. It defines properties and methods. And basically object gonna inherit or gonna make an instance of this class, which gonna have the actual real data. I will give you here like 3 examples. I will start by car, which is gonna have 2 attributes, color and speed, and just 1 method, which is gonna be drive. To do something like that, let me make sure I'm standing here in Solution Explorer on program.cs. We will start by saying here class, then the name of the class, in our case gonna be car, and have a curly bracket. And inside this one, we will have the attributes of this class. To define something like this, we can say public, then string, and color, and then gonna be get and set. This is gonna be the first attribute for us. Let's have another attribute in our case, but instead of color it will be just speed, and we will change the speed to be integer. So here we define 2 attributes. Let me go and define 1 method, which is gonna be public void, and the name of the method gonna be drive. Then inside this one it will not do anything, just console.writeLine, and here the car is driving. So as you can see, this car class has 2 properties, color and speed, and just 1 method with the name drive, which basically defines the attributes and behavior of a car. Let's go and create 1 object for this class. So let's have here a space after the class of the car. We should do small modification here inside program.cs. First of all, that's basically gonna be your class. But before that, we're gonna add here using system. This is gonna be the first thing, and we will write here the namespace. In our case, the name of the namespace is gonna be app01, and I will put all this class inside this namespace by go and take this one as a drag and drop it here inside the namespace. After that, we will add another class, which is gonna be the program class, the name of this file, and inside this one we can use static void, hold a second, static void main, and inside this one it will be array of argument. After that we can start to define our object. We're gonna say creating objects for car class. To do something like this, we're gonna say car, and then you're gonna hit tab, which is gonna be create for you your first object. If you're gonna say here car dot, you will find here color as your attribute speed as another attribute, and here inside this one you're gonna find drive as basically your method that we define it inside the car. So let's give here some values. We're gonna say car.color, for example, equal red, and car.speed, I'm gonna say 120. After that, let's define the method. We're gonna say or call the method, which is gonna be car.drive.